Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. If you're setting up the Monkey app and wondering how location works, here's what you need to know based on actually going through the setup process. When you create your account for the first time, Monkey will ask for location access, and this is mainly used to help match with people nearby or within selected regions. In most cases, the app pulls your location automatically through your device's permission, so you won't see a manual option inside the app to freely change it later. If you want to adjust how your location appears, the safest way is by managing your phone's location permissions or allowing the app to refresh your location after moving to a different area. Some users attempt to use VPN services to display a different region, but this can cause connection instability, mismatched location data, or even account restrictions depending on the app's policies. If your goal is to meet people from different places, it's usually better to explore Monkey's matching preferences and filters, since those are designed to expand your reach without risking account issues, and that's how location handling works on the Monkey app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.